Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change region on League of Legends account. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to change your League of Legends region? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so to be honest, you really can't change your region when it comes to League of Legends. The only thing you can do is make a new account for a specific region. For example, we're on Google, we search for sign up LOL, right? It says here League of Legends sign up North America. If you're say in Europe or in Korea or in China or in C or Southeast Asia, you can play in any league server that's not your own. But the thing about that is your ping is going to be really, really high and you probably still won't be able to play properly. But if you still want to do that, for example, we are in SEA, we're in Southeast Asia. And if you want to play North America, just click on this League of Legends sign up North America. And as you can see here, your legend starts here. This is a sign up. It says here Philippines because we're in Southeast Asia. But if you want to change this, click on the drop down box. So you can either go to Brazil and other EU servers. There's a lot. And you can go to Latin America too. You can either go to Singapore, which is another, or Vietnam, another Southeast Asian server. And you can go to Oceania, which is Australia. So there's a lot of other servers you can go to. For example, you want to do North America English, right? And let's wait for it to load. As you can see, we are in North America. That's the server that this account, once you create this account, you're when you log in, when you download the game, it's gonna be in North America, and you're gonna play in North America even if you're not from the said region. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.